You know, it is always a good idea to learn new skills, diversify your income stream, and seek opportunities. That's why I'm going to teach you how to create animated video embed to sell online as a digital download. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Helen here. In this video, I'll show you the process of creating the video invitation, start from finish, which you can also list it to sell online on sites like Etsy, Payhip, and on your website as a Canva template, or use it for your own event you are going to have in the future. Yes, before we move on, we need to clear the air about selling templates from Canva. And the answer is you are allowed to sell digital downloads in any site as a template with elements in Canva. However, I suggest using only 3 elements in your design not to disappoint your customers down the road, because Canva will not allow them to download the design they edit with the pro elements in it unless they pay. So that will create unsatisfied customer on your end, and it is bad for your business in general. To create the video invitation, these are the things that you will need. Of course, you need Canva account, and next you need to have graphic elements for your invite if you are planning to upload your own elements. And also you need to have the right wording for the type of invitation that you are planning to create. So let's go ahead and get ready for our design. First thing is first, let's log into our Canva account and open a blank mobile video. Then if you have a background video or image, go ahead and add that first. If you don't have your own background, you can use Canva free elements, video, graphics, or photos, or use content from Pixabay, which is a free stock image site straight from Canva without opening another tab. Go to app section in Canva on the right corner and find Pixabay. Open that app and search the type of image that you want to use on your invitation as a background or as any element for your invitation. For me, I wanted to create a pool party birthday invitation for the imaginary 8-year-old boy whose name is Christian. I thought it would be cool to use video of actual pool to give that dramatic effect instead of just a stilled image. So I found this pool video to use it for my invitation in Canva video section. The next step is finding the right graphics element to use to decorate my invitation that creates the wow factor. I try to search free elements from Canva. Sometimes you cannot find the right elements to use in your project that are free. So when that happens, you can create your own graphics, otherwise buy from Canva itself or sites like Creative Fabrica. You can use my affiliate link. I will put it in the description below. That means if you are going to buy element from Creative Fabrica using my link, I will get a small percentage of commission without additional cost on your behalf. Then I wanted to use a floating swimming rings in my design, but I could not find the right one. So I ended up creating my own using Inkscape, the free graphic software. So once I finished designing, I uploaded it into my Canva account. The third step is finding the right wording. So I found this website which has a lot of wording for various occasions. Again, I will put the link below if you want to use it later in your project. Now I have the basic things I need for this video invite. So let me show you how I put them together. The first page would be the opening page, so it has to be attractive so that people will be interested to watch it and to create that wow effect as they view it the first time. So I wanted to put the pool video in some type of frame, so I searched in Canva elements to find frame. You just have to type frame and you will just see a lot of frames. And I found this shredded paper like frame, then I put the video in the frame and I enlarged it to kind of fit the page. When you hover over on top of the frame, the picture or image would be placed automatically, so you need to be careful when you are using other images in the same page so that it will replace the one you created. Then I put the pool image at the back and overlay the video in a frame on top. As you can see, the background image creates an interesting combination. Then I added this floating duck that I created in Inkscape and animated it to have a floating light effect by using custom animation feature, which is a new addition in Canva. By using this feature, you can animate objects the way you want it to be. It is simple, just follow the instruction and you will be able to create an amazing animation effect. Of course, after a few attempts, I was able to make the duck has a floating effect, as you can see. Then the next step is adding the words in the first page. Just simply select the words that you copy from the website, that the one you want to be in the first page, and cut it and paste it. As simple as that. Then you can edit the wording if you want, or change the font or the color. To make it more pop, because its background is blue, so I use this splash image from Canva and put it under the text so that to give that contrast. Then I repeated the same process for all the wordings by changing the colors and the fonts. Once I finished, I animated the text. When you are animating the text, make sure the text to appear in the order that you want them to be viewed by the recipient. To do that, after adding the right animation for each word, you can select the first word and click the three dots or the ellipse and find the command that says show timing. It will show, as you can see in the design tool, the timing for the text or image. So you can drag by holding the edge until you found the right place to appear. As you are dragging, see when the first animation ends and stop there for the second animation to start. Repeat this process for the element and text. Once you are finished, check how it looks and adjust as needed. When you are happy, move on to the next page and repeat the process, which is similar to the first page. In my design, I want the wow factor to continue throughout the design, so I added the pool video on the letter frame of P and I, and I use floating swimming rings as O's. Then I use a script font for the word party. And I added this bouncing ball from Canva elements. Then I use the same process to animate the text and the elements in the page. Then I checked and move on to the last page, which is a reminder to bring the swimming costume. So I added these elements from Canva again and I animate them the same way. So remember, this is just a template, so the customers with the link will come to Canva and edit it with their own preference. So don't worry about how the wordings are in the templates. So I think our design is almost completed. So we need to check again if we are going to adjust or edit the design. To put your design to the next level, you can add background music to your design. To do that, click the audio icon and find the free audio you like to use it as a background, or upload your own soundtrack to Canva and use that as a background soundtrack audio. You can also decide where your sounds to start and end by double clicking and dragging the audio file to the right place. Also, you can adjust or raise the volume or decrease or increase the volume. Then when you finish adjusting, watch the whole invite to check again and adjust as needed. Hooray! You are now know how to create video invitation for any event in your life, or to sell it online as a digital template. Thank you for watching, and to learn more you can watch other ways of making money from my YouTube video, and subscribe and ring the bell icon so that you can get notified when I'm uploading a new content when I can. Thank you very much. Bye bye until next time.